The wall is a 2D object. And when we drag it into our scene here, it almost looks like a rectangle. It has this little curvature here. So we'll see a little bit better if we drag a material on here that it picks up the shading here. And you can basically see that it is duplicating a curved wall. And within the properties here, we have a couple of settings. Again, number one, a use LOD stands for level of detail. We have the height setting here, which we can adjust. Down the bottom, we also have this center point. So we have a center, bottom, top. It's set to bottom by default. So that means as we adjust our height here, that it's raising it up from the bottom. If we change it to center, then adjust the height, it's growing out from the center. If we change it to top, it's going to grow that height from the top. We also have a width here, so we can spread the width out of our wall. So let's adjust the height a little bit of our wall. Underneath our width, we have a depth setting, so we can increase or decrease the depth of this wall and how far it's pushed back in the middle. There's also an angle, so we can bring this in a little bit as well. Below the angle, there's a corners, so we can adjust the corners all the way down. If you don't need a smooth back wall, you can take the corners all the way down. Now, by turning off the front here, it'll just flip-flop this, face the wall the other way instead of facing it front. So the wall is used for backplates. Sometimes you can almost duplicate like a set or a cyclorama using the wall.